Hey Zari, what you doing? Are you washing the dishes? Are you stirring bubbles? Zari wanted to help Mommy wash the dishes, so we decided since she couldn't reach very well from her stool that we would put her up on the sink. And she's just having too much fun, isn't she? By the way, if anybody sees her belly button, she used to have a tattoo of a sun on there. Temporary, of course, but it's rubbing off. Don't put the water on you because you're going to get your diaper all nasty. So, this is kitchen day, and this is how Zari helps me. Can you say hi to everybody? She throws water on the floor. Don't throw water on the floor, okay? Can you say hi, Daddy?
Hi, Daddy.
Say, I hope you're having a good day at work. Is Daddy at work? Say, Daddy. So, that's what we're doing today. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera. Say bye-bye. Look at the camera.
Bye-bye.
Now, little kissy. You little kissy? See you later.